Tired of worrying about your card details online? The N26 virtual card is your answer, offering a secure and convenient way to shop online and make everyday purchases, all managed directly from your phone first. Open your N26 app and navigate to the card section. While you will see your physical card and the option to access your virtual card. Once you've found the virtual card section, tap on it. Here you'll find your virtual card number, expiry date, and CVC. These details are different from your physical card, adding an extra layer of security. When making an online purchase, simply copy and paste the virtual card details into the payment fields. It works just like your physical card. The transaction will be debited directly from your N26 account. After each transaction, you'll receive an instant notification in your N26 app, giving you real-time spending control. You can even freeze or unfreeze your virtual card instantly if you suspect any fraudulent activity, providing ultimate peace of mind. Speaking of control, you can also set spending limits specifically for your virtual card, helping you stick to your budget. To do this, go into the virtual card settings and adjust your desired limits. So ditch the payment worries and embrace the security and convenience of the N26 virtual card. Unlock smarter, safer spending today.